Okay, my name is Yang Li. I'm continuing to explain the question for the SAT practice test from College Board Test 8, Section 3, number 17. Okay, look at number 17. It said the sum of negative 2x squared plus x plus 31 and 3x squared plus 7x minus 8 can be written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. What is the value of a, b, c? So when you do this one, they said the sum, right? Here, this is the sum. So when they say the sum, so we need to do what? We need to add them, right? So let's add it first, okay? The sum equals to, right? The sum equals to negative 2x squared plus x plus 31. And then we add it with 3x squared plus 7x and the plus the, oh, this is minus, huh? So you got a minus negative 8, okay? So when you add them, what happens? So you can see that we can get like, negative 2 plus 3 will be just x squared. And then plus, this is the 1x, this is 7x, that would be 8x. And then this is a plus 31 minus 8, right? So you will get what? 31 minus 8, you get 23. So from here you got 23 here. And then this coefficient is 1. Okay? So you can tell that A equals what? 1. So from here you can see that A equals to 1. And B equals what? 8. And the C equals to 23. So the total will be, when you add them, right? This is 1 plus this is 9 plus 23 equals what? So you will get this one equals to 32. So the answer is 32 for this question. Okay? Okay, let's move on to number 18. For number 18, they ask you to find what's the y value, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use elimination, because when you look at these two equations here, this one and this one, there's two equations, so you just add them first. So when you add them, negative x plus x equals to what? 0, right? And then 1y plus 3y, so you add by 4y. And this is negative 3.5 plus 9.5 equals to 6. And then you divide it by 4 both sides. So you can get a y equals to 6 over 4. And you can simplify further. The answer will be 3 over 2. Now let's move on. Go to number 19 now, okay? Number 19. This is the question of 19. They ask you what's the value of the b. When we do them, this equation is y equals ax plus b, right? So we're gonna do here y equals to ax plus b, and the b we code it as y intercept. The y intercept means what? means when x equals 0. Means at the beginning, this one equals 0, right? So y equals y-intercept, b. So b means what? How many employee the startup company has at the beginning when they open. So we know that the b must be equals to what? The 8. That's from this given information here. So this question, the SAT, they set up this question, they give you explanation, all those here, all those actually is the information is not necessary for you to do this question. Okay, they just test you if you understand what's the definition of the y-intercept here. If you know that, that's the beginning of the employee numbers, which is 8. That's it. All right, so let's move on. We go to the next one now here. We go to we go to number 20 now. Okay, look at number 20. Okay, let's look at the 20 here. Be careful here. The graph is the figure not drawn to scale. So we just look at this is circle, and this is x. Central angle is x, right? So they told you that BC arc is what? 2/5 of the circumference here, right? So BC arc, this one here, this is the one I'm going to use first. Okay, so for this one here, so we need to do is we make the ratio part here. This is the part. Oh, crazy. Okay, look at here. We're gonna make a ratio of a part over whole. Okay. So when you say part over whole, this is a part over the whole. So when you have this one here, let's look at here, the BC arc, which is from here to here, okay? Arc. Over the whole. Whole is the perimeter, the circumference of the circle. So that will be 300. No, that will be the degree, right? No, that will be the total circumference, right? Total circumference will be equals to what? 2 pi r, right? And then this one equals to x over 360 degrees. And for this question, they told you that this ratio equals what? Equals to 2 over 5, right? Because they told you that BC arc will be equals to 2/5 of the circumference of the circle. So that means this one equals to 2 over 5. And then you cross multiply. So all you can fast do is time both sides by 360. So you can get what here? You will get x equals to 2/5 times by 360 degrees. Okay? So let's do the calculation now here. So you're going to have 2 times by 360 divided by 5. You'll get 144. So the answer here is 144 degrees. All right. So that's the answer for number 20, 144 degrees. Okay, so we finished the section 3.